If you are in my laundry bar soap class and you have not made this commercial multi-purpose soap, see what happened. I was washing clothes and I was called for one thing. I had to keep the soap like this, and by the time I came back, the foam was still there. It did not go down. Normally, when you use laundry bar soap to wash clothes, after like 20 minutes, the foaming will go collapse or go down. But this particular one did not go down. It was as creamy, as thick as it was when I left. It lathers very well. It's strong. It lasts in water. Please practice yours.